Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is TechnicallyTee here, and today I'm bringing you another case review for the iPhone X. Now today we're going to get into the Supcase Unicorn Beetle style premium hybrid case for the iPhone X. Now if you've been watching my video, you knew I ordered tons of Supcase cases. They're one of my favorite brands. So let's go ahead and jump into it, guys. Nothing much has changed with the Supcase packaging if you've been watching my channel. So let's dive straight into it. If I can get it open, that'll be good. If you hear some yelling and going on in the background, guys, I apologize. It's somebody being extremely loud walking through the hallways, so bear with me, guys. But here it is, guys, Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the iPhone X. So let's take a look around this case, guys. On that right side, we do have a raised metallic looking power button there. Flipping over on the bottom, you have a cutout for your lightning adapter and your speakers. Left side, raised volume up, volume down, cutout for your mute toggle. Top is completely closed. Flipping over on the back, guys, you have your cutout for your camera and your flash, and you get that Supcase branding here on the bottom. You do get this hex style 3D, pattern on the back, but even it also has a raised edge on the back. It may be hard to capture on camera, but the back actually has a raised edge, which is pretty cool. On the inside, you get a plain black matte TPU material, and on the inside, guys, as you see, it is Supcase drop protection, military standard. Not sure what it is rated at, but you do know it is drop protected standard. So here is the case. Let's go ahead and pop it on the iPhone X, see how it actually fits, guys. Already I can tell this is a very, very nice fit, guys. So taking a look around the case, guys, your power button is nice and tactile. One thing about it, it's a little loose. It's a little loose and wiggly, as you can see right here, guys. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on it. It's a little wiggly right here. It's kind of weird, but little wiggly power button. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to mention as always. Gotta try to mention everything to you guys when it comes to a case review. Volume up, volume down. Same thing. You can hear the buttons kind of clicking around, guys. And you can hear it as it's shaking. So once again, that's something I have to point out, guys. Flipping over on the bottom, your cutouts are spot on there. Flipping over on the back, you do have your cutout for that camera and your sensor, so you are protected if you are to lay it on the back. You have to worry about that hitting the actual camera lens. Next, let's take a look at the lay on the table protection, guys. Now, as you can see, it has a very, very nice lip when it comes to lay on the table protection. It is military drop rated, so you should be good in that category. As you know, I run a tempered glass screen protector, guys, but it does have a pretty nice lip going all the way around. Next, how does it actually fit, guys? Now, one thing about Supcase cases that we've been known for years is it actually fits very tight. There is no give anywhere on this case, guys. This is a two-part case where you don't have to take it apart to actually install it. So the case is very stiff all the way around, guys. Once that case snaps in, as you can hear right there, it's in there. It's not going out. Very, very solid fitting case, guys. It fits like a glove. Huge shout out for Supcase again for making an excellent fitting case. Next, how does it actually feel in your hand, guys? Now, it feels like it adds just a smidge bit of bulk. Not much, just a little bit, but it is actually too bulky. It actually feels very good in your hand. It feels like it's, the smooth sides doesn't give you much grip, but even the combination of that back as it rests in your hand gives you a satisfying grip for the most part, guys. So this case feels very solid. Of course, you hear those little shakes and rattles coming from the buttons. Not a deal breaker, but it's one thing I have to mention. Feels solid in your hand. Doesn't feel like you're going to drop it. Feels like if you did drop it, you should be good in that category as it won't damage your phone. Next, guys, does it work with wireless charging? Yes, it works with wireless charging. So, guys, once again, this is the Supcase Unicorn Premium. I get the case. I always get the names mixed up. Supcase Unicorn Beetle Style Premium Hybrid Case for the iPhone X. This case will run you $13.99. This color is a metallic gray. They also have a purple, blush gold, and a rose gold. So you should be good to find a color that matches your needs depending on the color of your iPhone. But as always, guys, give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Later.